What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Today is September 16, 2021 and we are on the 53, which is neutral. So CoinGecko today, Bitcoin is just doing flat today. Ethereum is 4.3% up. The rest, Cardano, not much today guys, it's just doing sideways, small losses. Polkadot, Terra is for Avalanche is doing great though. Yeah guys, not much today. It's just 2% gain, 4% gain, 4% loss. It's just doing sideways right now. Sushi is doing great though, 17.5%. Top gainers of the day, we have Avax, Sushi, two sushis, X Sushi and Sushi, Zen, Tor, SNX, CRV. Top gainers of the week, we have Avax, 76%. If you watch my video last time guys, one of my crypto gems about to explode. Now Avax is 76% up. We have CRV, HBAR, Atom, XTZ, Elron, ICX. Let's check the top losers. Top losers is Solana. Right on guys. We're waiting for the Solana to drop. Near, Phantom, Cell, FTT, AMP, XDC. Crypto bubbles today, we have HBAR, AVAX, CRV, DOT, EGLD, ICX, Sushis, SNX, XTZ, Atom. Okay guys, before we go to the chart, if you can smash that like, share to your friends, subscribe the channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss my updates. Okay guys, Bitcoin on the daily chart. Bitcoin is still on the top of this megaphone pattern. And on the 4-hour chart, last video I mentioned there's a mixed signal of Bitcoin. There's a bearish pennant here and it's also created a descending channel and the price did go up. But we still have a resistance here. That's why the price of Bitcoin currently is struggling to go up. So right now it could be developing a bearish flag, and our Fibonacci, the price is almost at 0.618. Let's adjust it. Okay guys, if we draw the Fibonacci, price is almost at 0.618. okay guys, let's do the count. This one is your 1 2 3 4 5, and we might see A, B, C. Right now we might be on the corrective phase. We might see the price of Bitcoin might still drop. But yeah guys, this is just my personal opinion. Ethereum looks bullish to me, but we might still see the price go down here at 0.38, which is 3,470. So Bitcoin dominance, I see a inverted cap and handle. We might see the price go up a little bit and go down. There you go guys, might see the price go up a little bit and go down. Rune looks good. I see a bullish flag here. You might see the price. Let's see the target of Rune. So we might see the price somewhere at $16 or even the all-time high. So Matic, it's on a bullish pennant. So right now it's also creating a expanding wedge. So we might see the price break on this triangle. So Matic is cheap right now guys. So for me this is a good investment. This is just my personal opinion. Solana, let's see if the price will drop somewhere here at 93. On the 4-hour chart though, let's see if the price will drop somewhere at 122. So let's see. But if you're investing, don't worry about it, just buy, and I believe in this coin. Well, it's up to you guys. You can do dollar cost averaging, that's fine. So Moon River, it's a beautiful bullish flag. It's just right now it's just creating a descending channel. So it's up to you guys, but I don't have Moon River on my exchange. Cardano is in the beautiful bullish flag guys. If you're doing dollar cost averaging, that's great guys. Don't worry about it, just buy and hold. Forget about it. You know what? I bought somewhere here and it's just pump up guys. Avax. Last time I made a video and it went down though, but now it went back and it's right now it's on $61. So the pennant was converted into a flag. So there you go, guys. Beautiful bullish flag, guys, for AVAX. Let's see if the price will break on this resistance here, and probably we go to the moon, guys. Just buy and forget, guys. Dogecoin, this would be my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just a presumption, but right now Dogecoin is on a bullish flag, and right now there's also descending channel here, so it's creating a descending channel. Let's see if the price will break on this descending channel. There you go, guys. A bullish pattern, guys. Shiba is just doing sideways. Dash is on cap and handle, so right now it created a handle right now, so pretty much the price is about to break on this descending channel here, so we might see the price go up. Let's see, the price will reach this all-time high somewhere here, not really the all-time high. Okay, guys, let's see if the price will reach this resistance here. Hot, it's looks like it's a beautiful bullish flag here, guys. Time to buy, guys, time to buy. So Harmony is just we're currently now in the all-time high, so we might see the price still drop and break this all-time high. Let's see. So guys, this looks like a cap and handle, guys. We might see the price go down and break. See, let's draw the fibs. Let's see if the price will drop somewhere at 0.618, which is 0.116. Let's see. And the price will probably break on this resistance here. So H bar, it already broke on this resistance or all-time high. Let's see if the price will bounce back to this all-time high, which is 40 cents, and to the moon, guys. Raven coin, beautiful bullish flag, guys. Beautiful bullish flag. Bitcoin Cash, we still have lots of room to go up, guys. If you don't consider this one, it's a bullish flag, but it's up to you, guys. But I see it's lots, there's still lots of rooms to grow. XRP on bullish flag, guys. If you don't consider this candles here, bullish flag. Let's see if the price will reach the all-time high. Okay, guys, this will do for the day. If you find this video valuable, please like and share my videos, subscribe the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my updates. And for now, guys, take care and I love you. Bye bye.